Maybe you can start out and telling a little bit about, what you guys have been working on and what the exciting opportunities are.
Thank you. Thank you for having us. So global climate change, from the boardroom to the classroom, as we all know, there's a newfound sense of focus and urgency around trying to find solutions and trying to figure out how we can all be part of solving the global climate challenges that we face. Innovation and multiple technologies will surely be a part of the solutions that address global climate change challenges. Every day, millions of tons of CO2 emissions are being pumped into the atmosphere as a result of lighting, heating, and cooling of industrial and commercial buildings. CO2 emissions from these buildings represent 40% of all the CO2 emissions in the United States. More efficient and more accurate sensors and building management systems will have a dramatic impact on the reduction of CO2 emissions from these type of buildings. Object video unleashes the power of turning video into data and empowering that data with real-time accuracy so that systems, lighting systems, heating systems, cooling systems, can be much more accurate and precise and also reduce the amount of emissions that they produce. The intelligent occupancy sensor will be coming to market at a price point that will make adoption of this type of device, intelligent device, very quick. If we are successful in only getting 10% market share in terms of putting 10% of these type of devices inside of buildings, we can have the CO2 reduction impact equivalent of removing 2.5 million cars a year from our roads. So you can see that you can have a very big impact with technology, and as we said before, multiple technologies will be part of the solution, and we're happy to be working together. Let's see a quick video about the solution, and Dave will talk a little bit about how we're going to go to market together.
Conventional occupancy sensors use heat and ultrasonic technology to detect occupancy, and false readings can result in erratic on-off activity. Inaccurate detections mean wasted energy and increased cost. Object Video and Texas Instruments have come together to enable the next generation of occupancy sensors.
What we're proud to introduce today is the first true intelligent occupancy sensor that not only knows when you're in the space, but where you are in the space. The device is mounted in the center of the grid up above you in a occupancy sensor body shell, and it is detecting the space, and as these folks are moving from one area to another, it represents either rooms or zones in a building that the lights can very quickly either be turned on or off as needed. So in the past, we've had to have long time delays built into our occupancy sensor circuits to handle the conditions when someone's in the space but not moving. So this technology will not only know you're in the space, but it will know where you are in the space, and we can very accurately control which lights need to be on to accommodate these folks.
Demo, thanks for coming.